Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share an amazing opportunity that can help you earn passive income from the comfort of your home. We're talking about the Fiverr affiliate program. If you haven't heard about it yet, stick around because this could be a game changer for you. Let's dive in. All right, let's talk about why you should consider joining the Fiverr affiliate program. First off, Fiverr is one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the world. With millions of services across various categories, there's something for everyone. As an affiliate, you can promote these services and earn commissions every time someone makes a purchase through your referral link. Now you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, let's break it down. Fiverr offers one of the most competitive affiliate programs out there. Depending on the services you promote, you can earn between $15 to $150 per referral. Plus, they offer a CPA, cost per action model, meaning you get paid for each first-time buyer you refer. Imagine promoting a high-ticket service and earning $150 for just one referral. The earning potential is huge. Another great thing about the Fiverr affiliate program is the diversity of services you can promote. Whether it's graphic design, digital marketing, writing, video editing, or even programming, there's something that aligns with your audience's interests. This means you can tailor your promotions to match the needs of your viewers, increasing the chances of conversions. Joining the Fiverr affiliate program is super simple. Just head over to the Fiverr affiliate's website, sign up, and get your unique referral link. You can start promoting right away, whether it's through your YouTube channel, blog, social media, or email marketing. Plus, Fiverr provides you with a ton of marketing materials and resources to help you succeed. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings with the Fiverr affiliate program. 1. Create quality content. Share honest reviews, tutorials, and how-to guides about Fiverr services. This builds trust and encourages your audience to click on your links. 2. Leverage social media. Promote your referral links on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Use eye-catching graphics and engaging captions to drive traffic. 3. Utilize SEO. Optimize your blog posts, video descriptions, and titles with relevant keywords. This helps in ranking higher on search engines, bringing in organic traffic. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to use your referral link. So what are you waiting for? Join the Fiverr affiliate program today and start earning passive income. The opportunity is right at your fingertips. Click the link in the description below to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more